Humans routinely enhance their look and smell, but not their sound.
Only a business degree teaches you to understand why your degree was a bad financial investment.
Birds have diarrhea their entire lives.
It is technically legal in most places to circle a roundabout for hours, but a cop will still eventually pull you over.
We see art of people with cat ears, but never cats with human ears.
In Field of Dreams, the biggest hurdle for believability was that 2 hot dog and 2 beers at Fenway cost $10.
Security systems have to be the toughest thing to sell door to door because you either already have one or should lie about having one.
Some people hear the story of Icarus, and the only lesson they take away from it is that he didn't use enough wax.
The first sound everyone in the world ever heard was a heartbeat.
The 30s kids are being born now.
Listening to music does not incentivize you while working out. It distracts you from feeling pain.
Life would be very different if we actually read the terms and conditions.
When you get to the top of the mountain, you are only halfway there.
Why do we believe in fate or coincidence, depending on the outcome?
Burying bodies vertically instead of horizontally would allow a cemetery to fit more people.
Big Bang should be called the blossoming. Why the aggravated scientist? Blossoms have sound.
Why do you think our dreams feel like entering a different world when we sleep?
Maths really matters. Maths is the best way to combat fantasies and wishful metrics and thinking. Maths is ingrained into the fabric of the universe.
Professional basketball should have height classes like combat sports have weight classes.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts. The toe next to the big toe feels like it should be the equivalent of the middle finger, but it's not the middle toe.
When you try to improve your looks, you often start with your clothes, but pretty people can wear the most ridiculous ulgy stuff and still look hot.
Speed limits are determined based upon the worst drivers and least maintained vehicles on the road.
Independence movements aren't really about getting independence from masters, they're just about making sure your masters live closer to you.
Torturing and killing animals is not considered animal abuse if you consume their flesh or secretions afterwards.
The word palindrome should have been a palindrome. Let's change it to palinolap. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. Looking for the perfect Father's Day gift? Check out the official Daily Dad Jokes podcast electronic button, now available on Amazon. A massive 500 preloaded dad jokes guaranteed to make you laugh and groan. Check the show notes page for the link. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.